Hi gang, this is section 2.5. I'm going to go over 17 and 19. So 17 and 19 want us to find the vertical asymptotes. So how you find the vertical asymptotes is when you have a fraction and you have a non-zero over zero. So a non-zero over zero is what makes the vertical asymptotes, okay? So that means that you have a domain restriction in the function. So when I look at this fraction, the first thing I'm going to do is factor it. So in the denominator, you have a difference of perfect squares. So I'm going to factor that. So that becomes x plus 2, x minus 2. So again, you're looking for where the numerator is not 0 and the denominator is 0. So if I set the denominator equal to 0 here, so if I set this equal to 0, I'm going to get that x is equal to plus or minus 2, and that's where the vertical asymptotes are going to occur, because at 2, you have 4 over 0, right? So when x is equal to 2, you have 2 squared over 2 squared minus 4, which is 4 over 4 minus 4, which is 4 over 0. So when x is 2, the fraction is 4 over 0. So this is a domain restriction, meaning I have a number over 0, which is what's going to make the vertical asymptote. And you'll see the same case with negative 2. So the vertical asymptotes occur when x equals to plus or minus 2, because I have a non-zero over 0 when I plug that into the function. All right, that's that one. Now if we try the next one, you first have to factor this trinomial. You have to factor this trinomial. If anybody forgot how to factor and they need me to help you with that, just let me know, okay? But I'm going to assume at the moment you know how to factor, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. But again, if you have problems with that, just let me know and I'll review with you how to do that. Okay, so first I'm going to factor this, and again, the vertical asymptote is going to occur where the numerator is not 0, but the denominator is. So I'm going to set the denominator equal to 0 here, and when the denominator is equal to 0, x is 1 or x is going to be negative 2. And again, that's going to be this scenario, so I know that's where the vertical asymptotes occur. So the vertical asymptotes occur when x is equal to 1 or negative 2. Because if I plug those values into the function, I will get a number over 0, which is what's creating the vertical asymptote. Okay, if anybody got stuck on this or have more, something specifically they want me to go over on this, just let me know, okay? Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.